Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can notify creators when you've added their videos to your favorites. So to enable this, you are just going to go to your profile. So hit that profile button. And then you are going to press the three lines on the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Then you are going to go to privacy, go down under safety and go to favorites. And then you're just going to press this button. And when you've enabled this feature, it'll notify creators you added their video to favorites. Turning this setting off will not remove previously sent notifications. And that is basically it. So the next time you favorite somebody's video, it will notify them. And that is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!